So in this video, I'm going to show you how the system automatically splits out your curtain order into a workroom order and a fabric order. In this example, I've got two curtains with a track attached to them. So let's go to Workflow Manager. As you can see here, we've already completed the check measure and we've already locked the order down. So now we're up to ordering it from your suppliers. So when you click on the ordering button, you can see in here for that order, what it's going to show is the workroom order for that curtain or curtains, and also the fabric order as a separate order. So you can see every supply that you need to order from is listed here. When you click the view order button, you're going to get two options that are automatically generated by the system. You can have a PDF generated document for that order. Now it has everything that you need to be able to send to the workroom. The other option is you have a column Excel sheet, which again, same details, just in a different format. There is some flexibility around being able to rearrange the format of this order sheet. Just ask tech support for assistance with that. So the ways you can order from your suppliers, you can actually email those through or punch it into their web portal. So however you order it, the last step is to come in and make sure you put in the reference number for this, and also tick this off over here to say that it's been ordered. If your workroom is internal, you'll be emailing this just to your workroom floor rather than sending it out to an external vendor. And as you can see down here, everything's tracked. So for any further assistance, please contact technical support.